If you've been to New York before, you've probably seen countless food trucks spread throughout the city. Today we came to check out a different type of truck. We came to talk to Ashley and Kristin, the founders of Uprooted Flower Truck, to see and get a sneak peek of what it's all about. Can you tell them how you girls came with the idea of starting a flower truck?
Yeah, so I've worked actually in flowers since I was 14. So I had always sort of worked in shops. Even I went to college and did the social work thing for a while, but then I started working in shops again, and we moved to New York, and I was noticing that all of the shops here are super, super small. And I saw the food truck model kind of getting bigger. I was seeing clothing, mobile trucks open, and that idea kind of just came to me when I was working in a shop that was like a little shoebox, and I thought, this is about the size of a truck, and maybe we could just do it out of a truck. And I came home and told Kristin, who was in grad school at the time, and said, I have this crazy idea, I'm not sure if it would work. And she was like, we should do it right now.
Yeah, I was like, it's really cool. Nobody else is doing anything like that. I never dreamed of being a part of something that was going to be the first of something in New York City.
Which is awesome.
Obviously super rare, yeah. And so I was like, if nobody else has done it yet in New York, then probably we should give it a go.
Yeah.
So we got financing. We ran a Kickstarter for mostly friends and family.
So in general, as far as designing, what I usually recommend when I'm teaching a new designer, I like to tell them to get your flowers together first, kind of gather what you're going to put together, lay it out in front of you, and then design it. It's a little bit easier. Instead of, if I were trying to design this as I was choosing the flowers, it might get a little bit difficult. So what I like to do is kind of grab all the things that I'm maybe going to want. It also gives you the time to think about what you want versus having to make all your decisions while it's in your hand.
One of the things that you girls also do is you teach, right? You have classes during the month.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have a private class now.
So, got a few flowers here, and one of the things I usually tell new designers is I think it's very helpful to look at your recipe, lay it out, so you're not trying to add everything up, so you're not trying to see what looks good together. You know what looks good, and then you're going to just take the time to create.
I would never have been able to do something like that. Where can they find the truck around New York, Manhattan, Brooklyn?
So we mostly pop up in Manhattan. Occasionally we'll do a Brooklyn day. So generally we do Thursdays. We've been calling it our surprise pop-up day, so we'll try out different neighborhoods. Recently we've been really loving 70th and Columbus, so we've been going there a lot on Thursdays.
Do you share on social?
We do,
The surprise day? Okay, good.
Yeah, so we have it on our social as well as our website. And then Friday through Sunday, we're in sort of the same general area in the Upper West Side. Fridays, we're at 89th and Broadway, outside one of the restaurants that we're sort of friends with. And then Saturday and Sunday, we're at 92nd and Broadway.